Today I'm going to go over a belt squat hops, right? If you don't have a belt squat, a very, very simple solution is just kind of imagine, for example, like on this rack, imagine if we had essentially something where we could stretch a band, right? Have poles come out and stretch a band. And you can weight it down however you want. Like if there's a squat rack at the gym you work out at, you can set something up similar to this. So instead of this being a lever, and it's kind of the same idea with these poles, I could stretch a band across this, clip a band into it, and accomplish the same thing, and you'll see here in a minute, essentially. Okay, so the reason for doing this exercise is we got to make sure we have a lightish weight, but we're trying to improve ground force, okay? Trying to, that turnaround, we call it, okay, when we run. Like, we want to be reactive off the ground, okay, not real slow and flat-footed, and then we get that heel strike, okay? So what we're trying to do is, I'm gonna put myself, my torso, in this running position. I don't ever wanna be vertical when I run. I don't wanna be like real in a chasing position either. I wanna be in this athletic position, this tilt, and stay in this tilt. So that's what I'm gonna do, is I'm gonna get in this belt squat. I'm gonna take that position, okay? I'm gonna use this as my reference, essentially, okay? So once I take my hopping position, and my hands are on here, I'm making sure as I hop that I'm not drifting forward and I'm not drifting to a more vertical position, okay? So I'm saying this because that kind of determines your frequency, reps, and sets, like how many I do. This is programmed and prescribed, but the takeaway is position, right? So what I'm gonna do is take that running position, essentially. You have my hands here as a reference. And again, I'm just gonna start hopping. And holding this torso position. Okay, and you'll see in the program that it's gonna say hop for a duration and time, or a number of reps. And that's the goal is the goal is whatever time is allotted, or whatever rep range is allotted, you'll see that my hops are consistent. So just I'll kind of demonstrate here. Let's say we're gonna do it for 10 seconds, all right? So I'm gonna take this, get in good body position. I'm gonna start my movement. Once I know I'm in my groove, then my time will start. And I'm just gonna try to maintain that real beautiful rhythm through the duration of that 10 seconds, we'll say. So once I get going, I don't count, I don't start right when I get going. I make sure I get going, then start. I'm trying to do. I'm not trying to jump super hard. I'm not trying to, I definitely don't want heavy. Like you'll see here, I have a band, and that band isn't meant to be, it's not meant to create so much resistance that it adds to the weight, we'll say. It's pulling it down a little bit quicker. It gives you the sense that I need to be reactive, because many of you are pretty strong, and it can, I call it floating. When you don't have that band there, I have a tendency to float too much because we're powerful. So we need that band because we're just leaving the ground just a little bit, okay? Give this a try, give it a shot. I think you'll really enjoy it, and you will see it transfer into a better running time by holding on to the rhythm that we're talking about.